with the guidance of Losico, with the guidance of my mentors, today I'm interning at the international firm. If things go well, I will be going to London by God's grace and Losico's grace. I was doubtful, like, will this course help me? There was always 50-50 confusion for me, like, how would this help me? And I remember I was pretty sure that Losico was something which was game changer. And I was end off one course which is law firm practice after 89% completion. Now I see the career graph of mine has increased like anything. And now there is confidence with evidence. Like, I tell people what I know with the proofs. So I am confident with the evidence what I have. Like, if you ask me what you know, I don't just tell in the air that I know this, I know that. I tell them with the proofs. So that's what it is. And with the guidance of Losico, with the guidance of my mentors, they taught me that this opportunity was not for you, this opportunity is for you, this is the way how you talk to the clients. They have taught me each and everything. They taught me how to even sit, basically. So from there, today I'm interning at the international firm. I will be in the contract phase of the Magic Circle also. If things go well, I will be going to London by God's grace and Losico's grace. So I'm really feeling proud of myself. I don't even think that I can do this much without Losico. Yes. It depends on what output we give. So it might drop like 80,000, or average is like 80,000 a month. I'm in 4th year. Just want to tell you, because of Losico, I got the other course from NLTC, which is for technology law. I have secured AIR 61 in that because of Losico. So I still remember not affording it to getting scholarship in it is like a good move. So basically, it's the story, ma'am. Thank you so much.